Hello everyone, today we're going to do another review. This time we're going to do it on this interesting screwdriver. It's new by Tekton. This one is the 14001. It's on black and it comes on red too. The red colors is nice too, but I bought it to do mechanic work. So I wanted it in a color that if it get dirty, it's not going to look that bad later on. But it comes in a nice red color, really nice too. It's a 6-in-1 because it has, you can open up and have 4 bibs that you can use and 2 Knox driver. The bit that it has is the Phillips 1 and 2 and the slot 3/16 and 1/4, and the Knox driver is the 1/4 and 5/16. The metal looks really good. Tekton tools are not really cheap, I would say. They're not expensive, but the quality is not like cheap. I really like a little bit Tekton tools. I have a few tools, especially mechanic tools by them, and I really like them. This one also looks nice. The handle is like a little solid plastic. It's a little hard. It doesn't really harm your hand, but it's not that soft neither. But the design that it has is like somehow a little bit square. You feel really nice in your hand. Really nice. It has a nice grip. The points, they come out a little bit long. They are good also to go into tight spaces. A little bit deep, not that deep, but a little bit. I think it's a nice screwdriver. When you wanted to use it, like I say, you can grab very easy. Even with your fingers, you can grab it easy because of this kind of nice design, because it's not really round. So even with your fingers, you have nice grip. And the bibs, they hold pretty good. They're really tight. You can change it fast, and they hold good. This one really tight too. In the middle here, it comes in this box. It costs like $12 right now on Amazon. The size is, with the bit together, the size is, as you can see, it's like 7.5. The size with the whole bit. So it's like a basically regular size screwdriver. You have their name here. Not painting, but it's like screwed in the handle. Really nice. I really like it. It's not that expensive. The quality looks good, so I recommend it. And like I say, it has another color on red that is nice too. This is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.